Hey guys, it's Mariah here at Rager Ford. Here is the 2025 Bronco Heritage with the shadow black exterior. On the inside, we got lane centering, cruise control, blind spot monitoring. This has about 32 miles on it. You get heated seats, dual air controls, your own navigation. There are the GOAT modes, some of the off-roading abilities. There's the auxiliary switches. One is adding light bar. In the back here, this is the cargo space. We got lights on the left and right side, a 12-volt charging pole. There's a secret compartment there with the jack. In the back, you have the rubber mats and the carpet. There's a 10-volt wall outlet down there and USB-C charging ports. This is the classic cloth interior that comes with the Heritage. White rims with the white top. So if you would like to know more about this Bronco, give us a call and we'll be happy to help you out.